Hi there, it's Makere here from Unleashed, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Advanced Inventory Manager to plan for upcoming peaks in demand. It's a great way to ensure you have enough stock cover for your most important products at that time of year where they sell the fastest. Starting on the AIM Insights dashboard and looking at my top performers inside, I can see a list of my hero products that are my top revenue earners. These are the products I want to take extra care with forecasting, as any stockouts on these would be a major revenue setback for my business. Clicking these products will open their forecast page, where straight away I can see an overview of the product's current performance. I can see an upward demand trend and a predicted seasonal peak in August. But what's missing here is my sales I expect to get over those Christmas months. So what I'll do first is fill the forecast using a linear trend as my base. Next, I'll adjust the forecast to my liking by dragging the trend line based on what I expect sales to look like over the Christmas period. And of course, I could manually input these figures, for example with a formal forecast from my sales team. But for now, this looks like a more realistic picture of my expected demand. So next, I'll check how this forecast would eat away at my current stock on hand. I'll change the chart here to show the burn down of my stock. Straight away, that shows me I would be running out as soon as November, which would be a disaster as I'd have nothing to sell over Christmas. So from here, I could of course simply phone my supplier and place a purchase order, eyeballing the quantities that I need. But the smarter thing to do is to automate my purchasing so it matches my future needs. And I do that by adjusting my minimum and maximum stock days until I find that sweet spot where I'm holding just enough stock to tide me over between orders and also build up a future reserve. Once I can see that I'll no longer be stocking out ahead of the Christmas period, I can submit that forecast. And what that does is feed those min and max stock levels into my purchasing cycle, so that I'll be prompted to buy the right amounts at the right time. I'll also set a reminder to review this forecast in 3 months' time, as it's likely these stock levels will need adjusting after the seasonal peak. And as quickly as that, demand planning for this product is done. And I have the confidence now that I'll have enough of the important revenue earning lines when I need them most.